Feel free to play around with the other data from that poll. Maybe you'll find a correlation between the number of eggs in your refrigerator and the number of icons on your desktop. Some of them have missing data, so you'll have to adjust for that. Out of these two that we analyzed in the lesson, we saw that only one of them was significant: age and number of pets. We can say then that as people age, they tend to have more pets. That's kind of interesting, right? But we can't say for certain that the older you are, the more on time you arrive for a party. Our p-value was too high. Let's focus on this one that's significant. Let's say we add an outlier to the data, like 20 and 8. A 20-year-old who has 8 pets. How do you think this will change the correlation coefficient? Go ahead and add this data point to the spreadsheet and find the new correlation coefficient.